Hey guys, so I'm getting on here today to go through what it takes to go into the Rural and Community Development Dashboard and find out what your community has received with the Rural and Community Development programs in with ECD since we started capturing all this information. So let me share my screen real quick. Let's see here. Let me find it. All right, so we're going to share my screen, and I'm here on, let's see, www.tn.gov/ECD/3-star. All right, we go here, and you will see you got several different boxes here. We're going to go to Program Materials. We're going to go down here where it says 3-Star Community Snapshot, Rural and Community Development Dashboard. So we're going to click on that. That is going to open up the Rural and Community Development Dashboard, the information that's all been collected since we started collecting this information for the grants and awards in with TNECD. And I'm going to select one county so we can go through. Let's get Fayette County here. All right, and then I'm going to go over here. You can select multiple years. It defaults to the previous 5 years, but I'm going to select all. So you will see when that finished loading, then we will have one county selected here, Fayette County over here in West Tennessee. It will show you all the different programs that they have participated in since 2012. So there have been 30 different grants and consulting services applied here for a little over $12 million. Down here, if you scroll on down, you will see all the different individual grant programs, Ag Enterprise, CDBG, Hospital Closure, Retail Academy, Tennessee Downtowns, Tourism, 3-Star, those types of programs. And it'll tell you how much each of those programs have invested into your county since we started doing that. So there you go. Thanks a bunch. I'll have more coming.